Hello, good morning. This is the third lecture of discrete mathematics. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the five types of connectives, logical connectives. So, first logical connectives is that negation, second is the conjunction, disjunction, third is the disjunction, fourth is a implication, and fifth is a by implication. So, in the previous lecture, we have covered till negation, only the first logical connectives. Now we will discuss all the logical connectives here and their preferences. The second logical connective is that conjunction. Conjunction means that if we will add two sentences, with the conjunction, that in that case, if both sentences are true, that the result will be true. But more thing I will explain you. There are two variables can be connected in four ways. How I can explain? Just I will switch to the another page, then I can explain it. If one premise is P, another premise is Q, in that case they both will be true. Second case, one is false but second is true. Third case, this true but this is false. Fourth case, both will be true. Okay, both will be false. So in that case, if this result is true, this result is true, then result will be true. Otherwise this is false because it is a negation. This is true, then result will be false. This is true but this is false, then in that case result will be false. Here are both false, then in that case result will be false. Okay, so the truth table is called, the truth table is that. So one is the table. This shows all the possible combinations of the variables, is called truth table. So this is a truth table. It shows the all possible combinations of two variables. In one variable there are only the one possibility, either true or false, two possibility only. But if the two variables, so there are 2 to the power 2, that is 4 possibility. I have explained in the previous video, just not now. Conjunction, just add two sentences with the AND keyword. Okay, so just one, P is a sentence and Q is also sentence. They are connected with P conditional, P conjunction Q, like this. And the truth table for that, this I have already explained by the PowerPoints. If both are true, the result will be true, otherwise result will be false. If both are true, the result will be true, otherwise false. Next. Now we will discuss about the disjunction. Disjunction means that two sentences connected with or. Or means how we can connect the sentence. For example, suppose that if you have P is a sentence, Ram is rich. Second sentence, you have Ram is great. So you can say P or Q. Okay, you can say P naught or Q. You can also say P or negation of Q. You can say P or negation of Q. So there are four ways, but here one property is true, then result will be true. If both are true, then result also be true. If both are true, true. If this is true, then true. If this is true, then true. If both are false, the result will be false. So it is just negative of conjunction. In conjunction we have 3 false, 1 true, but in disjunction we have got 3 true, 1 false. So the truth table for that here, both false, then false. Otherwise, if at least one premise is true, one proposition is true, then the result will be the next and fourth logical connective is called implication. Implication means that conditional. These two sentences connected with if or then. If I take milk, then I will go to bed. Okay. If I eat crackers, then I take soup. So this type of conditional sentence. If I will go to university, then I will join the class. Okay. So this type of sentences is called conditional or implication. So let P and Q be the statement. The statement if P then Q is called an implication or condition. The implication if P then Q, writes P conditional Q. The condition is that if both are false, the result will be true. That both are true, the result will be true. Otherwise it will depend on Q. This true, the true, this false is false. How can say like this? If both true and true, this is obvious condition. If both are true, the result will be true. But why we can say both are false, the result will be true? Because we are choosing a simple sentences. If I am feeling hungry, then I will eat. The simple sentence. Naturally we can work on it. If first sentences, if I am hungry, then I will eat. So if both are true, अगर आप if you are feeling hungry, then you will eat. It is true. Result will be true. Maybe if you are not hungry, means that false. If you are not hungry, then you will eat. Then you will eat. Maybe happens, sometimes may occur. You are not feeling hungry, but someone came with delicious food, then you can eat. The result will be true. Maybe if you are hungry, but in that case you will not eat. Maybe you become anger with someone, and that person carry something for you, some delicious food, but you are angry. So if you are hungry, then in that case you will also be eat. But naturally, if both sentences are false, you are not hungry, then you will not eat. Both sentences are in false. You are not hungry, then you will not eat. But you are saying true. Naturally, you should not eat anything. If you are not feeling hungry, then you should not eat anything. So the result will be true. So the truth table is that true, true, false, true. True, true, false. Get it? This is the next last implication. The last logical connective is that biconditional. Biconditional means that conditional is in two ways. So this is called biconditional. P conditional Q. We can say P conditional Q conjunction Q conditional P. just make the truth table for P and Q, and P conditional Q and Q conditional P, and after that make the conjunction of that. So now we are considering column 1 and column 2, so you should find the column 1 and column 2 conjunction. We have the possible combination 2 to the power 2, that is 4, true and false, true and false, double true, double false. P conditional Q means that it will depend on Q, both true then true, both false then true, otherwise it will depend on Q. True, true, false, then true. Q conditional P, it will depend on P. Q means both true, true, it will depend on P, that is true and false. Then find the conjunction 1 and 2. Conjunction means if both true then true, otherwise false. Both true then true, both true then true, otherwise false. So the final truth table is that true, double false, true, true, double false, true. This is the high precedence. If you want to solve the mathematical expression, so which value should be solved? First one. So first you should solve the highest value negation, second is the conjunction, third is the disjunction, fourth is the implication, conditional, and fifth is the highest value by implication, yeah, by conditional. For any query, write me on my email ID avnish.kumar@university.edu.in. Thank you.